Hi, and welcome to Ellerby Math Notebook's Comparing Slope Challenge. In this video, we're going to be comparing slope in two different forms. We're going to be given functions and graphs, and have to determine which one has the higher slope. For our functions, we're going to use the form y equals mx plus b. This is the form that you see most frequently in 8th grade. And in this form, m is the slope. So you're going to be looking to see what number is being multiplied by the x in each of these functions. For our graphs, we'll be using linear functions, and you will be trying to find the slope. In order to find the slope of a linear function when it's graphed, you'll need to use 2 points on the graph. Our first point will be the y-intercept. I put a dot there for the y-intercept. That is where the line being graphed crosses the y-axis. For your second point, you're going to want to find a point where the line being graphed crosses through the intersection of two grid lines. So I put one right there. Then you use your R words, rise over run, for finding slope. Between those 2 points, the rise is 2 and the run is 1. So we would write 2 over 1. And 2 over 1 means we have a slope of 2. You're about to see 8 problems where you're going to need to determine if the graph or the function has the higher slope. Remember, as you are working, anything with a positive slope is going to be a higher slope than anything negative. And with your negatives, the farther away from 0, the lower the number. The closer to 0, the higher number. Once you know which slope is higher, put an F on your answer sheet if the function is higher, and put a G if the graph has the higher slope. Ready? You will have about 40 seconds per problem. Go. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. And number 8. Time's up. How did you do? We're going to check your answers now. Number 1, the function. Number 2, the graph has the higher slope. 3, function has a higher slope. 4, function has a higher slope. 5, function has a higher slope. 6, the graph has a higher slope. 7, the graph has a higher slope. And 8, the graph has a higher slope. How did you do? Hopefully you got all 8 correct. Write the number that you got correct on your answer sheet. Once everyone in your group is finished, see who in your group got the most correct. Whoever has the most correct may get a piece of candy from the bin.